You know, I love cold email, I love cold calling, I love LinkedIn outreach, but whenever I need to book a ton of meetings fast, here's what I always do. I was just talking to a coaching client as part of the AB Mastermind, and we were going through how to figure out his product because he's got a cool software built. But the problem is when you have a cool product, you can do all of the basic stuff. You can make cold calls, you can send cold emails, you can even run ads, spend thousands of dollars, but you're not going to get real user feedback. The best way to get user feedback is to talk to users at live events. I do this all the time. When I was selling six-figure websites and mobile apps, I would go to the brand managers meetup in New York City every single month and meet every single person and try to get them to book a meeting. So here's my exact strategy, how I generate 30 to 40 meetings at every event that I attend and how we turn them into real money. First up, let's talk game plan. What most people do at events is go around, stand in the corner of the room, or sit and watch the speakers. You're not standing in the corner. You're not watching the speakers. Let's do this one by one. We'll go to Calendly. It's free or very, very cheap. Go to create event type, and it'll be a one-on-one. Name of the event is chat about whatever your offer is. So for me, let's say I'm selling the AB Mastermind, chat about Mastermind. 30 minutes, Zoom call. I like to tighten it up. So instead of 30 rolling days, I'll let them book 5 days out because you don't want them to forget about you after the conference. You can set your timing here. I set my meetings between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. Central Time. You can set your meetings whatever time works for you. Buffer time, none. Daily limit, none. Minimum notice, 4 hours, just so that people can't book the night before. Then for booking page options, I like to have the event link be something easy. Chat will ask for name and email and no other questions. Now you can copy this link and we'll just put it right in this Google Doc. Now, what is the point of this? Well, when we're at the events, we're gonna pull out our phone, similar to how you would ask somebody to put in their LinkedIn, like, hey, I wanna network with you. But instead of LinkedIn, you're going to say this magic line. Hey, I know we're all busy at this event, so let's book a time to talk in more detail after it's over. Sure, okay, cool, here, pick a time. The phone will have this URL, then they'll go in, they will pick a time that works for them. They'll hit next, they'll put in their name, they'll put in their email address, and they'll schedule an event, and you will have a meeting booked. Do this 30 to 40 times and you got 40 meetings. But how do you get them interested enough to book the meeting? Here's a couple more magic lines for you. At the event, when you're talking to everybody, your magic line is, hey, I'm Alex. What do you do? They're at an event. They know they are there to network. So if you just say, hey, I'm Alex, what do you do? Or hey, I'm George, what do you do? Whatever your name is. Oh, you know, I do blah, 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 blah. Then they'll say their magic line, which is, what do you do? Your magic line is, I help target audience like case study companies do benefit without common complaint. I help agencies like Fueled and Fuzz generate more leads without spending on paid ads. You can also remove the case study. I help web development agencies generate more leads without spending on paid ads. Now write it for your business. I help chiropractors rank higher on Google Maps without paying for reviews. I help companies get better insurance rates without needing to fill out a 50-page application. This is where pitching live is gonna help you because you need to figure this one out. As of this second, you're guessing in terms of your pitch. So you're gonna guess one, and then we will check it by pitching people at the actual event. But how do we find events to attend? You might have heard of ChatGPT as the AI writing thing, but it has one of the best search engines for this exact use case that I've ever seen. So go to chatgpt.com, make sure you click this button, which is search the web, and type in this prompt. So let's say I am helping chiropractors rank higher on Google Maps without paying for reviews. So industry-specific conferences in Las Vegas, March 2025 for chiropractors, and hit go. And you can see they've found one conference called Parker Seminars Las Vegas. And you can see it's a bunch of chiropractors. And if I want a different target market, let's say agency owners, and I want a different city, NYC, here are a bunch of conferences to attend. Industry-specific conferences in Las Vegas, March 2025 for chiropractor. Industry-specific conference in city, month, year for target market. And it's very important that this is your target market. Let's say you are selling SEO. Do not go to the SEO conference. You'll go to the chiropractor conference and sell them on SEO. That way you're the only SEO guy instead of one of a million SEO guys at the SEO conference. Then you're gonna attend one, talk to everybody, say your magic line, hey, I'm Alex, what do you do? They'll say their thing, they'll ask what you do. Then you say, I help chiropractors rank higher on Google Maps without paying for reviews. They say, whoa, how do you do that? And then you say, well, I know we're all busy at the event, so let's book a time to talk in more detail after it's over. They'll say, okay, cool. You hand them your phone, they book the meeting, and profit. Do that 30 to 40 times and you are flooded with meetings. This is one of my favorite strategies, but there are so many more. If you want more tips like this, join the Mastermind. I'll show you how to get 5 to 10 new high-paying clients every single month. So go on over to alexberman.com/mastermind and join. In a second, I'll show you another cool video, so make sure to watch that one. Smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of this strategy? All right, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.